Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch. It's one of the blanket stitches. I know with the variegated yarn, it's really hard to see. But I am making donations, scarves for donations, so I thought, why don't use blanket stitches that we crochet blankets with? So what you need to do is you need to chain. Mine is about 6 feet long. I crocheted and I finished one ball here. This yarn is from the Dollarama. I grabbed one ball of yarn and I use it up. Next, I'm going to use another ball, a different color, just to use up from my stash. What I'm going to do is, if you are making for donations, I'm going to use this black yarn that I purchased from, again, Dollarama. Okay, you can see the price as well, $4.50 Canadian dollars. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to use up all of this yarn, crocheting from here, from the other side, and crocheting from here, and then this is going to be in the middle. Just want to give you an idea, but for today I'm just going to show you this stitch on a short chain that I'm going to be chaining. Okay, if you can see, the first row we chain, and then the first row what we do is we do single crochets, and the second row what we do is we crochet these stitches, which is super easy. Okay, and yeah, this was the end. This is the end, this is the beginning. So what I did is I did 3 chain, skip 1 single crochet, and on the second I did 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, and again I skipped 2 in between 2 single crochet, and on the third I did 3 double crochets. There's no chain between, and again I skipped 2. On the third I made double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet, and then you repeat this all the way to the end. At the end, what I did is I finished it with 3 double crochet here, and here I skipped 2, and on the third I did 1 double crochet, chain 3, turn around, and you do the opposite. So on the 3 double crochet you do 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, and you jump to the V that we crocheted, and then we make 3. So we do opposite. And then when you go to the next row, you do what we did on the second row. Okay, so let's get started on how to crochet this. Okay, today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using this yarn, which was in my stash. I was supposed to be knitting a cardigan using a mohair yarn. The mohair yarn was enough, so I kept this yarn. I wanted to return to Walmart, but they said the return policy is for only 30 days. The time I knit the cardigan, of course, it was more than 30 days. I ended up with this yarn. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this. It's a burlap premium. It's super soft. That's why I chose this yarn. There's lots of yarn in here, and I have so many balls of this, so I will make it for donation. Okay, and it's recommending crochet hook is a number 5 here. Okay, so it's a 4 weight. So let's get started. You need to chain as long as you need, but okay, so you need to chain multiple of 6 plus 3. Okay, so I'm just going to do a small one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, plus 3. Okay. I crochet chain with a bigger hook. Okay, so I chained 21 plus 3. So on each chain we're going to do single crochets, and I chained with a bigger crochet hook, and then I moved to a smaller crochet hook. Okay, the recommendation is a 5, but you can crochet with any hook you want that you are comfortable with. There's no right or wrongs. Whichever you feel comfortable with, you can crochet it. Okay, so I am going to be crocheting on each chain and a single crochet, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have crocheted all the way to the end, and I'm going to make my last single crochet on this last chain, and then I'm going to chain 3, pull it tight so it won't loosen up. 1, 2, 3, turn around. So I'm going to skip 1, and on the second I'm going to make a double crochet, chain 1, and then on that same single crochet I'm going to make another double crochet. Okay, chain 1, be in between, so that we create this V. So we're going to skip 2. On the third we're going to make 3 double crochets. Oopsie, 1, 2, 3, just like this. 2, 3, again skip 2. On the third make a single crochet, chain 1, and again make another double crochet on that same single crochet. Okay, again, no, there's no chain between when we're crossing, so skip 2. On the third make 3 double crochet to get more yarn. So 2, 3, again skip 2. On the third make a V. V is a double crochet, chain 1, and then on the same single crochet another double crochet. So we're going to do the ending here. So we're going to do on the third we're going to make 3 double crochet. On my scarf that I'm working on, or a big blanket, if you're going to be using this stitch, you don't have to count multiple 6 plus 3. Just chain as long as you need, and then until you have this ending like this, if you have the length that you need, and then you can cut the rest of the chain or of the double crochet, the single crochets. You can't cut it, but you can stop, and then you can cut it actually and then weave it in, but yeah, it's way better to do it this way, counting. Okay, so on this skip 2, on the last one we're going to make our double crochet. So this is the end of the row, chain 3 to go up, turn around. So we're going to do opposite on each of these. So here we have 3 double crochet, we're going to make a V. So 1, 2, 3. So on the second we're going to make, on the second double crochet we're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, and on that same double crochet we're going to make another double crochet. So in the V we're going to make 3 double crochet. It's super easy, it's mindless, you don't have to worry about counting. Oh, it goes fast, and I thought, why not share this stitch with you. Okay, here we go. Go to the next one, make a V, chain 1. If you're lost, you know where you are. When you see the V, that means you need to make 3 double crochets. So this is all to it, and then you continue crocheting until the length that you need, and then what you do is you finish it up with single crochets. Yeah, don't forget to do that, and it gives you that nice stitch. Nice professional look. Okay, come here on the third, make a V. Three double crochets. And then when you come to the end, right here on the second chain, make a double crochet, chain 3 to turn around, and then repeat what we just did, opposite. Well, actually, we're going back to the second row. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Super easy. Again, it's mindless. So this is an easy tutorial, easy stitch. Chain 1, let's say if you're watching a movie and you're lost, you know where you are. You just do the opposite what you did on the previous row. So this is all to it. Okay, so when we're doing the last row, you just finish it up. Yeah. It's a beautiful lacy stitch. You can make anything with this. Turn around, and on each of these, just make single crochets, and you're done. Try to finish it on the same where you started. So this is the right side. That means you're on the right side. Let's say that it's reversible. You can use the both sides are the same, but you know what I mean by the stitch when you're crocheting. So super easy. And then you finish it up with this. With a single crochet, you cut your yarn, and then you go on. Just like this. Just single crochets on each. Here, I'm not making single crochets on top of the chain. We want it a little bit tightened. We don't want it relaxed. If you're a tight crocheter, by all means, you can make a single crochet on the chain. So this is all to it. So I hope you like this tutorial, and yeah, I'll see you on my next tutorial, which I'm going to be working on. So stay tuned for the next tutorial, and you guys take care. You go. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Be safe. And I'm going to end it with the regular YouTube thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. It can be a short video, it can be a tutorial, it can be anything from my life. You take care, and I'll see you on next video. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Take care. Bye-bye.